Good evening, viewers. T-News are back to accompany you. Today we bring you a summary of interesting news in the past week in 3 different languages. I, Fisilmi Salsa in English.
Emilia Fortuna, Nihongo de Nyusu wo otodoke shimasu.
Kulo Indira Majestika ngagem basa Jawi.
And here are the news. We begin with English news. Strengthening the characteristic of student activists in Universitas Dianuswantoro Semarang, the Student Bureau of Udinus held a leadership and soft skills training attended by over 250 students. In this training, Udinus invited Professor Ilah Sailah to encourage the students to develop their character even further. This leadership and soft skills training was held by the Students Bureau of Universitas Dianuswantoro Semarang on Thursday afternoon in the campus hall building E Udinus. Over 250 student activists from student organizations and KIP scholarship recipients participated in this training. It was officially opened by the Rector of Universitas Dianuswantoro, Professor Edi Nursasongko. In his opening remarks, the Rector of Udinus explained a number of Udinus success stories in realizing a number of works. For that reason, he hopes that in return the success story of Udinus will inspire the students to accomplish them in many ways, especially to those who have participated in this character building training on leadership and soft skill by Professor Ilah Sailah from IPB.
Acara hari ini kan sangat luar biasa. Kita menghadirkan Prof. Ilah Sailah selaku guru besar dari Institut Pertanian Bogor dan sebagai ketua tim penilai dari berbagai macam perlombaan yang diselenggarakan untuk para mahasiswa. Hari ini beliau memberikan karakter building. Tentu kita harapkan dengan ini kepercayaan para mahasiswa kepada diri sendiri, kepada Udinus semakin meningkat sehingga mereka akan bisa menyongsong masa depan mereka dengan lebih baik dan lebih siap untuk menghadapi berbagai macam tantangan.
Meanwhile, Professor Ilah Sailah in her presentation encouraged Udinus students to have a desirably strong determination and to be able to build teamwork so that their good character will also lead them to success.
Dengan adanya perubahan teknologi sekarang ini yang sangat amat cepat, maka harus ada perubahan juga sikap dan perilaku mahasiswa yang sementara ini kita suka menyebutnya sebagai generasi stroberi yang mudah lemah dan mudah give up gitu ya. Nah sekarang mereka harus lebih punya endurance yang baik, harus punya daya juang yang baik dan juga kegigihan ya. Karena bagaimanapun juga di luar sana pengaruh sudah sangat amat besar kepada mereka yang mungkin membawa mereka kepada egoisme yang tinggi, sikap individualis yang tinggi begitu. Nah, oleh karena itu di kampus harus bisa membelajarkan bagaimana kerjasama di dalam tim untuk mencapai kesuksesan atau tujuan tertentu.
Having had training material on leadership and soft skills, the student activists are also involved in playing problem-solving games. From Semarang, Tutuk Carita on the Sea. To overcome flooding in the Madukore area Semarang Indah, Mayor of Semarang Hefearita Gunaryanti Rahayu will add a water pump at the Madukoro Pump House. However, the addition of the water pump cannot be carried out immediately because it has to go through an auction first. After flooding due to heavy rain, Mayor of Semarang Hefearita Gunaryanti Rahayu on Tuesday afternoon immediately checks on a number of water pump houses, one of which is at the Madukoro Pump House Semarang Indah. In this location, Ita finds out that the lack of water pumps causing floods to take place, so she will provide one maximum capacity of water pump machine this year. However, the addition of this pump will take time, due to its large budget for it reaching 12 billion rupiah and it must be auctioned. Besides, adding the water pump, Ita will also provide some trash nets at a number of points of the Madukoro River. Ita also asked for public awareness not to cast rubbish in the river as it grows more in number. so that the river is free from garbage. As a temporary solution to overcome floods, DPU Semarang City also established a potable water pump at the Madukoro Pump House, directly bordering the Banjir Kanal Barat River.
Tambahan kapasitas pompa karena memang di sana ternyata harusnya ada kotaannya itu tuh 5 pompa tapi sekarang masih hanya 3. Nah, satu pompa ternyata harganya 12 miliar. Nah, dari dulu kan tidak terinfo gitu ya sehingga saya minta di 2024 ini bisa minimal satu beli pompa lagi satu untuk Tawangmas.
ITA also highlights the higher sedimentation taking place in the Banjir Kanal Timur River, so she will immediately coordinate with the Pemali Juana River Hall. From Semarang, Tutuk Carita on the scene.
T-News will be back after the break.